How are you?
Yes. Good evening.
Here is good morning.
Sorry.
Good
Okay.
evening.
Yes. Okay. So where is I need to I don't know where. Okay, that one. Okay. So
Okay.
yes. Okay. So now let us about what are you? What time is it there?
7:09.
7 in the
Seven
morning.
nine a.m.
AM.
Yes.
Okay. Did you have your breakfast?
What?
Did you have your breakfast? Breakfast.
Yes.
Not yet.
No yet. So
Okay.
yeah, around 10 a.m.
At 10 a.m. You have your
I,
breakfast 10 a.m.
yes. Yes, I don't like to eat very early.
I don't like
I
to eat.
prefer my breakfast around 9 or
Alas
10
9,
a.m.
alas 9, alas 10. Okay, how about lunch? Alas 2.
About the lunch, yes, 2 p.m.
Oh,
And my final meal for tonight will be
ah,
around 6 or 7 p.m.
7 p.m. Okay, so I will share it to you now. Okay, let us talk here about travel.
Mhm.
I forgot. We talk already about travel or not yet?
Let me see
Yeah, wait.
yeah, I think we talk. We already talk.
We already finished. Ulitin. Um, um, Tama yun. Taon ka na eh. Hangga. Ay, ay, ay. Oh. Okay, so I have here.
Okay.
So what's the weather in Ecuador? Today it's very
Cold.
hot again, very hot.
Today is cold.
Oh,
Yes, very cold here.
yeah,
Yes,
yeah. Like how
not
many,
much
what
weather.
degree? What degree?
Um, Around, let me see, 9. Yes,
Cold,
9. No,
very
for now,
cold.
4.
Oh, very cold.
It's 4. Yes.
I like that
Mhm.
kind of place, Val, which is it's cold but there's no snow.
Oh, yeah.
Yes. Okay, let us talk about future plan. So what do you think, Val, will be your future plan?
Uh, yeah, I think we already talked about this, but okay, I'm going to remember well.
Yeah, this one. Wait, let me ha. Are we done with this?
Yes.
Are we done with this?
Yes.
So if I will ask do you think will be your future plan? Given the chance to tell me your future plan.
Okay, my future plan is um no, my future plans are
Yeah, in the future. What do you think?
um yeah, probably have my business about tourism. This is my
Soon, in
first
the future.
priority.
Soon.
Uh-huh.
You
In the
want
future.
that in the future.
Yes, in the future is create my own business.
You want to have your own business. Okay, so let us talk about another. Okay, let us do first the pre-intermediate. The last time we have 4A, so now let us have 4B. Still, we're talking about grammar. Okay, a little bit about grammar. Okay, so, so you know this Val, right? Comparative, a short discussion. You know this already?
Yeah, but I would like to practice more because so
Okay.
I know, but when I talk, I don't use this except for better, worse, and early,
Yeah, that's
but I don't use more.
yeah. This is the short comparative. Okay, so this is the basic, the regular comparative adjective. The regular adjective, like you will put er to compare. So we have long adjective. Okay, so always remember when you use long adjective, you have to put more. But we have irregular adjective, the one here. Okay, so this one like far, good, bad, okay, worst, better. They're irregular adjective. Okay, it will change the spelling. Literally change the spelling. Okay. So we have here some rules, Val. I would just like to add this on. At least you will have your knowledge. Okay. We use than to make comparison. Okay. Greece is hotter than UK. That's common, right? Another, we use not as to make negative comparison. If it's negative, you will say not as. It is not as warm as yesterday. So it means it's negative. We use as to us to say things are equal. Okay, yesterday London was as hot as Athens. So it means equal, the same. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, we use far, Val, okay, or much to make comparison stronger. Libya is far or much hotter than Canada. So at least you will able to compare and your comparison is stronger. So it's real, it's stronger. Okay, so you know this,
Mhm.
right? Comparison,
Yes.
when you say negative, okay, things are equal and comparison stronger. Okay, some qualities while we have here, some quantifiers also have comparative forms. Few, okay, few, much, many, more, we call it as, okay, quantifiers. Okay, so we have few, fewer, much,
Yeah.
many, or more. So we call it
More.
quantifier. Okay, next, look at this one. What do you think are the comparative form of the adjective and modifiers? Small.
Smallest. Uh, is it smallest? Smaller?
Okay, go. Yeah. This is smaller. Comparative vibe. Next, what else?
Okay. Large, long, largest? No.
Mm-hmm. Comparative form. ER. You add ER.
Oh, larger.
Correct. Okay. Early.
Earlier.
Okay. Earlier. How about powerful? Long adjective. What will you do with a long adjective?
Um, mm, I don't know. As a
Okay.
powerful? No.
Yeah. If it's long adjective val, you will say more powerful. Okay, so like more beautiful. Okay, Val is more beautiful in person than in the internet. More beautiful. Okay, remember long adjective you have to put more. Okay, next one much.
Mm, much. Most. No.
Hmm?
Much with er.
Hmm?
No.
Look at this. This is irregular. This is more. Okay,
More.
much is quantifier. Quantifier. Okay, bright. How about bright?
Mm, brighter.
Okay, this is brighter. Few. Quantifier. Another quantifier, Val.
Okay. Few is favor, favor, or something like that. It was ER. I don't remember well that word.
Okay,
Fewer,
it's fewer.
fewer,
Now
fewer.
remember ha, the glass, this glass has a fewer water than the other one. Fewer. Okay, comparison. Mhm.
With some comparison, when I need to compare it, is
You use
maybe two
fewer.
things.
Two,
Yeah,
two,
okay.
two.
Oh yeah.
Comparison or comparative is two only, Val, ha? When it is more than two, that's superlative already. You will use EST or most. Okay?
Okay.
This one, many.
Many are mm, um much more many most
Okay?
no
More.
more.
The
It's
same.
like it's the same with okay, much.
Many can be counted. Much, you
Okay.
cannot count. Okay, water, you cannot count. Many, pencil, you can count. You use many. But their comparative val the same. Okay?
The same.
Okay. Far val. How about far?
Oh, far is
What do you think? This is farther.
away.
You can
No,
use
far.
FUR or FER, the same. Okay. Wet.
Okay, farther, further, farther. Okay. So is okay with mm, no, with ER same.
Wetter.
The yeah, I put another
Wetter.
T.
Okay. Pretty.
It's prettier or no, it's
Mm.
I think it's
Prettier. Val.
yeah. Oh yeah,
Change
yeah.
the spelling. Change the spelling Y. If it ends with Y, you change Y into I, then add ER. Prettier.
Prettier.
Hmm. Frightening.
Okay,
This is long
it's
adjective.
frightening. Mm, frighter,
Long
no?
adjective. That's long adjective.
Oh yeah, let me see. It's more frightening.
Okay. More frightening. Long adjective will always have more. Okay.
Yeah, give me a
Like,
second. I need to, yeah, take a photo.
okay. Another val is example in the superlative. If it's long adjective, you will add the most. Here, we are comparative, we will add more. Okay? Long adjective. Beautiful. All the adjective that is long, you will have to add more. Okay? This one. Okay? Iceland is far colder than Egypt. How do you say this one?
Okay. The Earth is much smaller than the sun.
Okay, correct. Okay, much smaller. Very good. Next one.
Gold um is hard or heavy. It's most heavy
No, no,
than
no.
silver.
Heavy, heavy. What is the comparative of heavy?
Heavy. It's heavier. No, it's heavier
Oh,
or
that's
hard.
heavier. Okay, the gold is
Yeah. It's
heavier
heavier.
than silver.
Heavier.
Okay, remember
Silver.
add ER on the ha comparative. You will use most for superlative. We are talking here comparative. Next, rock climbing, hiking, dangerous. Long adjective.
Okay. Rock climbing is more dangerous than hiking.
Okay. Rock climbing is more dangerous than hiking. Cycling, skiing, much easy.
Okay, cycling is much easier. No, yeah, it's much easier
Yeah,
than,
correct.
yeah, than
Much
second.
easier than skiing. Okay, correct. Much easier. Okay, understand? You understand a little bit?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, here. Number 6, please continue.
Ski, is to compare, right? Right?
Hmm.
The
Far.
USA is more, yeah, is far. No, let me see what the word. It's farther.
Okay. The US is
It's
far
far bigger.
bigger than the UK. Big here is the adjective. Okay, next one, this one.
Mm, okay. Porsche is more expensive than Skodas.
Yeah, okay. Porsche are many
Car.
more expensive than Skoda. I don't know this car. This car, right? Skoda and Porsche? Porsche or Porsche? I don't know. Okay. Ice Storm,
I
number
think
8.
it's a brand.
Yeah,
It's
it's
a
a brand
brand
of the
of
car.
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 Uh-huh. Okay, ice storms far raider
Rarer.
than thunderstorm
Hmm. Are
are,
far
yeah,
ice storms
raider
are far
are
rarer
far
than thunderstorms. Number
thunderstorm.
9.
A broken ankle.
Mhm.
Mm, it is worst. Worst.
Correct. A broken
Worse,
ankle
worse,
is
worse.
worse than sprained
And
ankle.
ex-
Okay, very good. Okay, worse. Okay, it's different from worst. That's worse. Worse, worse, worst. Okay,
okay.
let's skip that one. Okay, look at this clause. What you think will be?
Okay. So the number 4, right? Let's try
Yes.
more than that's Loki was not closer. Was not closer to a town. Closer?
Hmm. 5 are closer, yeah. Closer, correct. Number 5. The night sky
Yeah.
became blank.
Became brighter,
Mhm.
brighter.
Yeah.
Okay, it's okay. Pero aquí hay algo eh, more unusual. No, it's más unusual. No,
Most scientists
no, no, no.
believe it
It's
was
more
I know.
unusual.
Okay, it is more
More
unusual.
unusual. Yes,
Okay, you
more
know
unusual.
unusual? Do you know the word unusual, Val?
So I know it's no common.
Correct, not common. Okay, so here, this one, another. Oh, look at this, practice. What do you think expensive? Just tell me the adjective. Expensive is?
It's more expensive.
Okay, it's more expensive. Okay, the book isn't as expensive as the pen. Okay, this is the use
Oh
of
yeah,
as.
I don't
As
read this.
use.
Okay,
Okay,
as
Darren.
okay. Yeah, Darren is it's 100 or 1,000.
154 centimeter.
Oh yeah, 150. Yeah, okay, centimeter tall. Then as tall as
Lucy.
as tall. Yeah, as tall is no. Tall as.
Mm,
Okay, tall as
okay.
and oh, as tall as Lucy.
Okay, Darren is not as tall as Lucy because Lucy is 165. And Daryl is 1654. Number 4.
Is London is in the countries as away as Leeds.
London
As
is
away.
100 kilometer away and Leeds is 180 kilometer. Okay.
Yeah, I think it's
Far away as Leeds.
Why
London is
far
not
away?
as far. It's not as far as Leeds because Leeds is 180 and London is only 150. Not as far. Okay, 5. The skiing holiday costs $500 and the beach holiday costs the same. Cheap.
Okay, cheap. So, let me see.
What is it?
Okay, the skiing holiday costs us no 500 and the beach 500 as cheaper
Mm-hmm.
as cheap
Correct.
as beach.
Okay. Is as cheap as the beach holiday. Okay, that's correct. Skiing holiday is as cheap as the beach holiday. 6, what do you think? As again, as.
100 students choose to study Spanish each year, and only 50 choose French. Okay. Spanish. Um, Spanish. Uh, as
Popular.
popular as
Popular is
popular
long
as
adjective.
French.
Okay, yeah. Okay, very good. Okay. French
Popular.
isn't as
Oh, isn't.
popular as Spanish. It's not as popular as Spanish. Okay. So is or as is quite hard than the basic one. Okay, this one. Okay, let us have this. Okay, it isn't as large as. How about this?
Mm, yeah, the Chelia. What I need to pronounce?
Chelyabinsk. I don't know, Chelyabinsk explosion, Chelyabinsk. Chelyabinsk,
Oh
it's a
yeah, I
place,
think
maybe it's
that
a place.
Chernobyl like this.
Maybe it's in
Okay.
German.
Yeah. So the explosion. It's much small.
Chelyabinsk.
It's it's much smaller than the Tunguska event.
Hmm. Okay, much smaller. Okay, very good.
Was.
Next. Correct.
Okay. Occasionally, hailstones can mm, can can be um
The B
can
verb. That's a
be
B verb.
can be bigger as tennis balls.
This is
As bigger as tennis balls.
can
Be
be
as
as
big.
big
Oh,
as. Big as. Can be big as. Okay, next, number 5.
a hurricane uh is much powerful. Yeah, it's much powerful
Is
and ordinary.
much more
More.
powerful. Much more powerful than an
When
ordinary
I put mu-
storm.
when okay, when I put mud,
Okay, but you can also say a hurricane is more powerful than ordinary storm. You can also say that one. That would be okay. Val?
necessary. Can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah. Okay, a hurricane is much more powerful than ordinary storm. So you can also say that a hurricane is more powerful than ordinary storm. You can also say that. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Okay, let us, as you can see,
Oh, the next
vowel.
is
This one, the next is superlative. Okay, this is the AST. The one you told me, the most. Okay, always remember. So we have the most. We have good, better, the best, far, farther, the farthest, bad, worst, and
farthest.
worst. Okay, so these are the superlative form. We can use of after superlative adjectives. The sunniest day of the week. So we use of for superlative adjective. We use in, not of, in with nouns or groups or places. Like the tallest boy in the class, the biggest lake in the world. Okay, so you have here, we use in, not of, with nouns or group of places. So we use in. We use in. Okay, the tallest boy in the
In.
class, oh, that's in. The biggest lake in the world with nouns or groups or places. Okay, that's in. Okay, please take a pictures if you want to know more. Okay,
Okay, yeah.
file here,
The
waiting.
largest large earthquake ever recorded was in Chile in 1916 magnitude. Okay, large.
9.5.
The second, yeah, the second is um the earliest, the earliest or
Mm,
earliest,
yeah, the earliest. Okay,
the
deadly.
earliest,
Earliest, it means
earliest.
very early.
Okay, earliest.
Correct.
The
Number
number three
three,
is
oval.
oh, is that uh the deadliest, deadliest.
The, very good, the deadliest. I'll always remember the word the.
Yeah, okay, that. No straight this deadliest or earliest. I need to put that. Okay. The number four is
Mm,
the deepest.
deepest. Okay, correct,
The deepest,
deepest.
yes. The number five is authenticate the continent mm, with must, no, with
Yes.
much
Antarctica is
smaller.
the, okay, let me see. The smallest. Remember how we are now in superlative, not comparative. Superlative now. This one is
Okay.
example of superlative. Okay. Number six.
Yeah, number six is the that destructive, no, destructive, no,
Destructive. Yeah, destructive.
destructive, but is with, I don't know what is the pronunciation, but is with st. I need to
Okay.
add
The
must destructive.
most destructive.
Oh, when is a long adjective, I need to put most.
More. Most. Yeah, most for superlative, more for, well, just remember, huh? It's very okay. Okay? So you understand this, the ESD? You
I
understand?
understand, but it's a little bit it's
Tricky.
a confusion. I create a confusion about it.
Okay, to and enough. When to use? When. Basic vowel. To comes before the adjective. Enough comes after an adjective. Okay. So we have here the jacket is too small for him. Okay, too comes before the adjective. Okay, too. Where is the adjective? Small. Okay, this is the adjective. Okay. The jacket isn't big enough for him. Isn't big enough for him. The jacket isn't big enough for him. Okay, that's jacket. Okay, next is enough. Comes before noun. Here, before adjective. Cannot buy it. He hasn't got enough money. Okay, that is, okay, enough. Another, we use an infinitive with to after to, adjective or adjective enough. He is too young to join the army. He's old enough to join the army. Okay, that is, what do you call it one? This is the usage of to and enough. Okay, very simple, but of course, when you try to talk or when you write something, it would be very hard for you. Okay, so you understand this? Two, enough, and
Yeah,
2
understood.
plus 2. Okay. Rewrite the sentences using the adjectives to or enough. Just speak up. Do not write.
Okay, number 2 is skiing holidays aren't cheap enough for me. It will be skiing holidays aren't too cheaper.
We see
It's too cheaper enough. Too
the
expensive.
one in the underline, huh? The one.
Yeah, expensive.
Yeah.
Are too expensive for me. Okay. My dad's old car is too dangerous to drive. My dad's old car um isn't isn't uh isn't safe enough for isn't safe.
Okay, 4.
Okay, the storm was too weak to cause much damage. Um, the storm wasn't too strong.
The storm wasn't strong enough
No.
to cause much damage. Okay, 5.
Okay, my shoes are clean out. Let me see.
Okay, 2 here. 5.
My shoes are
Aren't?
dirty. Yeah, my shoes are dirty. Are too dirty. To wear. No. Okay, un momento.
Okay, 2 is my shoes are too dirty to
Too
wear
dirty,
to the
yes.
yeah, too dirty. Too dirty. Okay. So the sky is too cloudy. What do you call? To see the moon.
Yeah, the skies is too
Too cloudy
innocent.
to
Okay.
see the moon. Too cloudy. Okay? You understand this one?
Yeah. Let me see. The skies are are too aren't clear aren't clear mm, clear enough to see the moon. The moon? Clear enough to see the moon.
Okay. Clear enough to
Oh, easy.
see the moon. Okay? Okay, Val? Quite hard, quite hard. Hard?
Yes.
Okay, this one. Okay. Questions in superlative form of the adjectives. Okay. Who attractive actor in the world? What is in the world here? Who attractive actor in the world? Okay, there's a much. Okay. Okay, the most attractive. Okay, number 3.
Who's okay? What's the most funny comedy uh, on the TV? The most funny comedy.
Okay, the
Funniest. Yeah, the
funniest.
funniest.
Funniest. Okay, next number 4.
Um, what's the more interesting city in your country?
Okay. Most interesting. Interesting. 4 syllable. Okay. Next.
Interest.
Who bad singer in the world?
Okay. Who's the worst singer in the world? Who's the worst singer in the world?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. Worst singer in the worst singer. Okay. Who's the worst singer in the world? Okay. Next, number 6.
What is the most dangerous animal in the world?
Okay. The most correct dangerous animal in the world. Okay. What is the most dangerous animal in the world? Okay. Very good, Val. Okay. So let's move on to another. We still have lessons, minutes to. Mm, 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 mm. Eight and okay.
Okay.
Okay, so we have different vocabulary. Wallet, you know wallet? You put your money.
Yeah, like
It's for
exactly. Yes, wallet, cartera.
Mhm. Ah, wallet is cartera?
Cartera. Yes.
Ah, refund.
Wallet refund. Yeah, when you, for example, in the bank account, put some money, and you need to get this money. It's like a refund, right?
Yeah, you get money and then somebody will going to give the money to you.
It's a
Okay, receipt.
concept. Yes, I know. Maybe if you get something,
Okay, like receipt.
uh,
Quick, quick. Quick.
no, I don't know.
Okay, next is out of stock. Okay, credit
Sorry,
card.
what is that?
Out of stock.
Uh,
Out of stock.
out of stock
It
is
means no stock anymore.
not stock anymore. Okay, in
Yeah.
stock is there are in stock. And about
Okay.
quick, what means quick?
Quick receipt, quick. This one. Wait, I'm not sure, but I will double check if what I am saying is true. Oh, wait, Wait. A line of people usually standing up in the cars waiting for something, or a lot of people who want something. Are you in the quick for tickets? So the people who are line or fall in line get the ticket, they're quick. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. Okay, this one, Val. Trolley, do you know this?
No, I don't know.
Okay, so this one, shop window or window shopping.
Trolley.
Okay. Manager, fitting room.
Yeah, but I don't know what means trolley.
Trolley, the one you push.
Okay.
Yeah,
Discount
when you go
shop
to the
window.
when you go to the supermarket, you need trolley.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Okay, so manager, I know, shop assistant, shop window, fitting room, no?
Okay, fitting room. You know this, Val?
No.
The
No.
one when you go when you buy clothes and you will gonna fit in the fitting room.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, you will have to negotiate in the fitting room if it's okay or not. Sale.
Sale. Sale is yeah, oferta. Okay. Special offer. Yeah,
Mhm.
I know. Customer. Customer is like a client.
Okay, special offer. Do you know this?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. Okay, we have bunch, sheet, can, battle, bag, gram, 1 kilogram, and liter. Okay, 1 liter. Okay, so you understand? Very easy. Okay.
Yeah.
So actually, okay, so we have here asking the price only. How much to be? How much is the school bag? Okay, that is asking. Okay. How much do? Remember, Val, do is plural, does is singular. Okay. How much do
Single.
these ice creams? The subject here, Val, is ice cream. The secret for this one is you have to find first okay, how much is this school bag? The price. Okay. How much do this ice cream costs? Okay. So, what is
Okay.
the price of N? Okay. What is the price of this bike? N is noun. What is the price of this bike? Okay, see, we're gonna tell. Okay, so this is
Okay.
only asking the price. Okay, it costs
Costs.
money. Okay, it costs
It's
10 pounds, 20 pounds. It is long money.
their money. Okay.
Okay, their money. Okay, it costs its money. Okay, this one. Please try to do this.
Hey, I wanted to buy oats. Can you help me out?
Sure, sir. Which brand are you looking for?
I'm looking for Kellogg's. On which counter will I find it?
It's counter 3. It's at the back near the dairy section.
Thanks. Will I find the other brands on the same counter?
Yes, we have all the major brands displayed there.
Okay. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome.
Hi. I got some stuff and now I'm wondering, do you take credit cards?
Yes, sir, we do.
Do you accept cards from all banks?
Yes, sir, any American bank would do.
I have a Citibank credit card.
That would be fine, sir. Can I have your card to swipe?
Sure. Here it is. I have a loyalty card from here. Will that grant me any discount?
Yes, sir. It will get you 5% off the total purchase.
Can I club it with another discount card?
No, sir. I'm sorry. That's not allowed.
Okay, that's not a problem. Is it going to get me loyalty points too?
Yes, sir. Every time you pay with it, you get some points which you can redeem later on.
That's great. Thanks for the information. I didn't know that. Hi, I wanted to buy some canned tomatoes, but I see none displayed. Do you have more in stock?
I'm not sure, sir. Which brand do you prefer?
I don't have a favorite one. Any of them will do, as long as it's not too expensive.
Actually, all the brands are almost in the same price range. I'm sure we have some brands in stock. Let me check.
Will it take long?
Not at all, sir. Yes, we have some. In aisle 3. Look at the third row from left.
Okay, thanks.
Okay? So what do you think
Yeah.
they're talking, Val? As you can see, what do you think they're
About
talking?
Yeah, he's searching about the products of the any kind of brand, and there are maybe shop service there. Good one.
Okay?
And
So what
can you
do you
hear me?
think they're talking about? Can you hear me? Val, can you hear me? It's
Yes, yes, yes,
freezing.
I can
Yeah,
hear
because
you.
it's
Yeah,
freezing.
I was talking. Okay, so
Ah,
I said he is searching some products about okay, any kind of brand, and there are shop seller or w- ho- which is the person who sells something. Maybe he needs
salesman.
help for there. Yeah,
Salesman or shop assistant or yeah, shop
shop assistants.
assistant,
Yes, shop
salesman. Okay.
assistant. And yeah, he's asking for maybe they accept credit card. Their help for him for see the best product for him.
Yes. Okay. So generally, what they are talking is we are talking here the topic here about okay, shopping. We are talking about shopping. So mostly the person asks prices about this one. So by the way, Val, I have questions. How about credit card? Is credit card allowed in Ecuador?
Uh, you can pay it with credit card. It's allowed.
Okay. So in my country, wait, if they want to have credit card, only people or person who has a job can apply. How about in your country?
Um. Okay. So you said in what place?
Yeah. Yes, Val.
In whatever place. Yeah.
Whatever
Here is
place. In
very common.
general.
Yes. It's general.
Um,
But except for the little stores. Yeah,
mm.
we call this tienda,
Tinda.
and
Tinda.
yeah, it's small stores here. So
Tinda.
only
Okay.
you can use your cash in cash.
Yeah, of course. Also
But in
in
the
the Philippines. In the supermarket, it's
yeah,
okay.
in the supermarket, yeah, it's okay.
Yeah, also in the Philippines, small store, we call it sari-sari store, small one. You will gonna pay cash, of course. In the big one, you have to, okay, you go to the, okay, mall. So here, Val, we're talking about this one, people. So what do you think? First, can you tell me what is this? Okay, this one, Val, what do you think this one? Can you tell me what they're doing? The first one, Val. Okay, Val, can you hear me? Oh, it's loading.
Hello, Anne?
Yeah, yeah. Okay, sorry. Okay, it's freezing. I
Yeah,
can see.
I don't
Yeah,
know
I can
the,
see.
the connection.
Yeah, it's okay. Okay, so please tell me, let us finish this one. Please tell me, can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Can you
Yes,
hear
I
me?
can hear you
Yeah.
now.
Yeah, I thought, oh my God, what happened? It's freezing. Okay, number one here. What is this? Can you please describe? Val?